Hello friends, welcome back to my class. This is Euler's equation part 2 and part 1 we have discussed in previous video. So please go back to the video of part 1 and look of it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Pandey Praveen. So in the previous video we were dealing about what is called AS. So this is AS, this is the first equation. So I told put 2 in this first equation and remember that ds, this is what, see here, if at all I write this one in a bigger way, okay, so this is my ds dz, that is theta. See here, this is theta, so my cos theta would be dz by ds. So now let us put this as in this equation and let us see what happened. So let's begin. So let us put forward as in this equation. Okay, first let me write this equation, that is p dA minus p plus dou p by dou s into ds into dA minus rho g dA ds cos theta is equals to rho dA ds into as. What is as? What is as here? V dV by ds. So as is what? V dV by ds. Okay, and remember that cos theta is equals to dz by ds. So here, okay, so see what else can be cancelled here. See, this can be cancelled, so my remaining would be what? So my remaining would be minus dou p by dou s into ds into dA minus rho g dA ds cos theta is equals to rho dA ds into V dV by ds. Okay, see what else again can be cancelled out. First dA can be cancelled, next again ds can be cancelled, so my remaining will be minus dou p by dou s minus rho g cos theta is equals to rho v dV by ds. And we know that what is cos theta. See here, what is cos theta? Dz by ds. So instead of cos theta we'll write dz by ds. So minus dou p by dou s minus rho g into what? Dz by ds is equals to rho v dV by ds. If at all I send this equation towards right side, what will happen? Everything will become positive. So dou p by dou z plus rho g dz by ds plus rho v dV by ds is equal to 0. I have sent these two towards right side. Now see here, if I multiply the whole equation with rho, okay, and we can cancel it this ds and divide the whole equation with rho, divide the whole equation with rho, so it will be like dou p by rho plus g into dz plus v into dV is equals to 0. Any doubt? I have just divided the previous equation, this equation with rho. So this is my what I'll be left out, that is dou p by rho plus g into dz plus v into dv. So this equation is called as Euler's equation. Euler's equation. Euler's equation. Now, if you integrate this Euler's equation, we would get Bernoulli equation. So, let us even do that part 2. So here, on integrating Euler's equation, we would get what? Bernoulli equation. So let us integrate it. Okay, so the thing is dou p by rho plus g into dz plus v into dv is equals to 0. So on integrating, okay, on integrating we'll get dou p by rho, this rho, okay, plus g into dz plus v into dv is equals to constant. Okay, see, this rho is constant, g is constant, so finally you will get it out as dp means what? P. So p by rho, g is constant, okay, so g into z, v means what? V square by 2 is equals to constant, is equals to constant. Now we should divide the whole equation with g. We'll get it as p by rho g plus z plus v square by 2g is equals to constant. Okay, so this is called as Bernoulli equation. This is called as Bernoulli equation. Okay, and this p by rho g is called as pressure energy. Pressure energy per unit weight. Per unit weight. Okay, then what is z called? Z is called as potential energy per unit weight or potential head. Potential head. Okay, and this v square by 2g is called as kinetic head. Kinetic head. Okay, so remember this is called Bernoulli equation. So how we get Bernoulli equation? On integrating this Euler's equation of this rho. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, just need your support. Please do subscribe and even share it, so you can take it out screenshot. So remember, this is my just part 2. The reason behind having part 1 part 2 is what? In part 2 it deals with Bernoulli equation. Okay, so this is my part 2, and if at all you want, see, this is my part 1. This is my part 1. Okay, see, this is my part 1. So this is my part 1, don't forget. See how we got it, and this is my part 2. Thank you. All the best. Please subscribe my channel. Yeah.